You're in your 20s. Life is full of possibilities. This is the time to lay the groundwork for a future of financial freedom. It's easy to think about living in the moment, but building wealth early gives you options later. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to building wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. This is thanks to the power of compound interest. Compounding is like magic. It's when your money earns interest, then that interest earns more interest, and so on. Over time, this creates a snowball effect, leading to exponential growth. Starting early also allows you to learn from mistakes and adjust your strategy as you go. The decisions you make in your 20s have a ripple effect on your future. Building a strong financial foundation now creates a platform for future success. Your future self will thank you. Budgeting. It's not the most exciting word, but it's crucial for getting your finances in order. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It helps you track your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. Categorize your expenses to see where your money is going. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, you can start creating a budget that aligns with your goals. The 50-30-20 rule is a great place to start. By tracking your spending and making adjustments where necessary, you can free up more cash to invest in your future goals. Investing. It can seem intimidating, especially in your 20s. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the better. Why? Because time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. The magic of compound interest works its wonders over the long term. Think of compound interest as a snowball effect. You invest a small amount of money and it earns interest. Then that interest earns even more interest, and so on. Over time, this creates exponential growth, turning small, consistent investments into a significant nest egg. You don't need to be a financial expert to start investing. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Want to boost your income, explore your passions, and gain valuable skills? Side hustles are the answer. Today, the gig economy offers endless opportunities to earn extra cash, gain new experiences, and potentially turn your side hustle into your full-time gig. The beauty of a side hustle is that it allows you to explore your interests and monetize your skills. Are you passionate about photography, writing, or graphic design? Offer your services freelance. Love animals? Become a dog walker or pet sitter. Not only can a side hustle provide a significant income boost, but it can also teach you valuable skills like time management, marketing, and customer service. The key is to find something you're passionate about, commit to it consistently, and never stop learning and growing. Debt. It's a heavy burden that can weigh you down and prevent you from achieving your financial goals. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or personal loans, getting out of debt should be a top priority. The good news is, there are proven strategies to help you ditch the debt and achieve financial freedom. Start by creating a debt repayment plan. List out all your debts, including the interest rates and minimum payments. Then, choose a debt repayment method that works for you. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debt first to build momentum, while the avalanche method prioritizes the debt with the highest interest rate to save money on interest charges. Once you have a plan, it's time to cut expenses and boost your income. Remember, getting out of debt is a marathon, not a sprint. Your mindset about money plays a crucial role in your financial success. If you want to build wealth, you need to shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. This means believing that there is enough money to go around and that you are capable of creating the financial future you desire. One way to shift your money mindset is to focus on your why. Why is it important for you to build wealth? What are your financial goals? Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve can motivate you to make smarter financial decisions. Another important step is to surround yourself with positive financial influences. Avoid comparing yourself to others, as this can lead to feelings of inadequacy and envy. Remember, mastering your money mindset is an ongoing process. Investing in yourself is one of the best financial decisions you can make. By acquiring new skills, expanding your knowledge, and developing your talents, you increase your earning potential and open doors to new opportunities. Consider taking courses, attending workshops, or pursuing certifications in your field of interest. The digital age offers a plethora of online learning platforms where you can learn from experts around the world at your own pace and convenience. Networking is another powerful way to invest in yourself. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with people in your field. Building relationships with other professionals can lead to new job opportunities, mentorship, and valuable insights that can help you advance in your career. Don't underestimate the power of self-care. Don't believe it's possible to build wealth in your 20s? Think again. Countless young millionaires have paved the way, proving that age is just a number when it comes to financial success. These inspiring individuals often share common traits. They started early, worked hard, and never gave up on their dreams. Take Mark Zuckerberg, for example. He co-founded Facebook while he was still a student at Harvard University. Or consider Kylie Jenner, who turned her passion for makeup into a billion-dollar beauty empire before the age of 25. While not everyone will become a billionaire, these examples demonstrate that financial success is attainable with hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Let these success stories inspire you to take action. Your 20s are a time of exploration and discovery, but they can also be a time of financial pitfalls. From lifestyle inflation to fear of missing out, it's easy to fall into traps that can derail your financial progress. But don't worry. By being aware of these common pitfalls, you can steer clear of them and stay on track towards building a solid financial future. One of the biggest financial mistakes young adults make is lifestyle inflation. As you start earning more money, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle accordingly. Suddenly, you're eating out more, buying designer clothes, and going on expensive vacations. While it's okay to enjoy the fruits of your labor, it's important to do so in moderation. Avoid letting your expenses rise in tandem with your income. Another common pitfall is the fear of missing out, or FOMO. In the age of social media, it's easy to feel pressured to keep up with the Joneses. Don't let FOMO lead you to make impulsive financial decisions that you'll regret later. Even small, consistent contributions to your savings and investment accounts can add up significantly over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Building wealth isn't just about following a set of rules. It's about developing healthy financial habits that become second nature. These habits, once ingrained, will serve you well throughout your life, helping you make sound financial decisions and achieve your long-term goals. Start by automating your finances. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures that you're consistently putting money aside for your future, even before you have a chance to spend it. Next, make it a habit to track your expenses regularly. By identifying areas where you're overspending, you can make adjustments and free up more cash flow for your goals. Finally, cultivate a mindset of continuous learning. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards mastering your money in your 20s. You've learned about the importance of budgeting, investing, side hustles, and cultivating a healthy money mindset. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action and inspire others to do the same. Share your financial journey with your friends, family, and social media followers. Talk about the challenges you've faced, the successes you've celebrated, and the lessons you've learned along the way. Your story has the power to motivate others to take control of their finances and build a brighter future. Start a conversation about money in your community. What are you waiting for? Start sharing your story today.